Hi, how are you doing? My name is Byron Lee, and I am a professor here at China Europe International Business School. I was actually born in Canada, and I've been there for many years, but I came to China about 8 years ago. And it's been a fabulous experience, learning about the digital environment and how China has transformed and changed over the past decades. I'll be coming to your city, New York City, to talk about China's digital transformation and how companies have transformed their business model in order to deal with this and the opportunities presented by the digital transformation. At the end of the time, I will be also talking about how organizations adapt and their people strategy related to that. I will be coming to New York City on August 11th to give this talk if you are interested. And if you want to find out more about the MBA program or the Global EMBA program, please click on the link below for more information. I will be glad to see you in New York City soon.